Kindly click on the subscriber button and click on the bell beside the subscriber button for you to be notified when we drop the latest video. And don't forget to like our videos and share to your friends, relatives, and family. Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to this interesting, wonderful YouTube channel. I'll be using this great opportunity to tutor you guys how you can use your name as your ringtone of your phone. So you guys, please, I will urge you to watch this video completely to the end for you to understand the methods I used in making this work. So now let's get started. First of it, you have to go visit your Play Store to download an application. You have to visit your Play Store to download an application called My Name Ringtone. My Name Ringtone. Me, I've downloaded the application already. I'll just try to log in into it. As you can see, My Name Ringtone, the second one. As you can see, uninstall updated, meaning that I have it on my phone already. So now let me just try to log into the application directly. As you can see on top of my screen, here is it. That's it. So let me click on it. My Name Ringtone. You can design your ringtone depending on your choice. So now click on the first option, which states My Name Ringtone. So create a ringtone. You can create the ringtone of your choice. Create ringtone. So your name, you just have to input your name in case if anyone call you to be telling you my name is Epic Adeyemi, to be telling you Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Please pick your call, Epic Adeyemi. I love you, Epic, and so on. So anything you want the phone to be saying when you have any call, you have to type it here. So let me try to type it. Please be with me. You have a call. Pick your call. Pick your call. Epic Adeyemi, I love you. I love you, Epic. So as you can see, I'm done with it. So let me play it first, and for you guys to listen to it.
Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Pick your call, Epic Adeyemi, I love you, Epic.
As you can see, if anyone call you, that's how your ringtone will looks like. So you just have to save it and put a ringtone name. Let me save it as my name, which is, I can put anything to save it. So let me click on save. So you can see success. So anytime you want to use this as your
Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Pick your call, Epic Adeyemi, I love you, Epic.
anytime you want to use this as your ringtone, just go back.
Mommy, yes?
Just go back and click on saved ringtone, the third option. As you can see, Idris, that's it. You can click on it and use it as your ringtone. As you can see, set as ringtone, option 1. It has successfully changed. My ringtone has successfully changed. So let me use my other phone to call the phone. You will see that you will see the ringtone that we voice out now. I'm trying to call my phone. Please be with me. We'll see the type of ringtone that we are ringing now.
Epic Adeyemi, you have a call.
As you
Epic
can
Adeyemi, you have a call. Pick your call. Epic Adeyemi, I love you, Epic. Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Epic Adeyemi, you have a call. Pick your call. Epic Adeyemi, I love.
As you can see, this is very interesting and nice, and most of the time some people will teach you this for money, but intentionally and willingly I drop this for you, my subscriber, at no cost. Please, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop your comments, share our videos, and like. Thank you and God bless. Be expecting more wonderful and sweet video more than this, and our next this. For you to be alert or for you to be notified when we drop latest video, you just have to subscribe to this channel and like. And thank you for being with us.